Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherris, and in this channel we talk crypto stocks and Forex. And in today's video I'm going to talk about Capitec Bank and Easy Equity. So they recently went into a partnership, so now you are able to buy Easy Equity shares using your app. So I'm just going to show you how to do that using a cell phone. So without wasting time, let's go to today's video.
Okay guys, when you look at this article from Capitec Bank, and we do have another one on Easy Equity, you can see that they did partner with Easy Equity. So 2020, 11, 12, and you can see that we've partnered with Easy Equity, make it easy for our clients to invest in shares. So this is good for us because then it is going to be easy for us to buy our shares using our Capitec Bank. So normally when you buy your shares, you have to deposit money by going to menu and then deposit money and then transfer from your account to Easy Equity with your reference, and then the money will be listed in your Easy Equity ZA. As you can see, I have 204 which I've transferred I think an hour ago. So if you are using a Standard Bank account, this money will be transferred almost within an hour. If it's not a Friday or a weekend, if it's not a weekend, then it can be transferred within an hour. But then if you're using other banks, then you'll have to wait. But sometimes I do have to wait like a day before the money reflects on Easy Equity. So now they made it easy for us to buy using our Capitec account. So I am now going to share my phone because most of these transactions will be happening using our phones. I'm going to open my Capitec Bank and I'm logging in. Alright guys, I just logged in into my account, which is a Capitec account. So as you can see, this is my balance, and now I want to buy shares from this. So you do need to create an account. You can create from here. So when you click explore at the bottom, you will find these two tabs, which is Global One and Live Better. So on Global One, you can do everything that you want to do, but then we want to Live Better. So when you go to Live Better, you can see there's already Easy Equity, and then you click Easy Equity. And then there's two options. When you come here, you can either add an account or you can create a new one. So it even shows you the screen of how your account will look like. So you obviously have to accept the terms and conditions, and then you do need to log in. So this is if you have the account. If you don't have an account, you would click create an account, which is this one at the bottom. But because I do have an account, so with you'll click create an account, and then you'll enter your email, you'll enter your password, and then after entering your password, you'll wait for Easy Equity to confirm your application. So there is a way where you can verify your account. Sometimes there is a process, sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it can allow you to verify using your phone. But if it doesn't work, just send an email to Easy Equity. You will get that email from their website, or you can just scroll down here and then you can see some of their contacts. So since I have an account, I'll log in, and then let me do that. To give Capitec permission to view your Easy Equity account, so you will click continue. And then the widget is added. Good. So now you can see I can access my portfolio, and then I can see my ZA, my Tfsa, and then my USD if I want to buy shares from America. And then this is a tax-free savings account, which the next video I'll be doing will be all about that. And then there's ZA as well. I can invest buy shares from the ZA account, and then from there you can just go down. If you want to see the demo account, you can see the demo account and just play around with money. If you want me to do a full video on this, you can just comment on this video, then I'll do a full video on how to practice using the demo account. So now we're going to invest. So remember, I am pulling my money from my Capitec account into this one. So I need to decide what share do I want. And then from here you can just select all the categories, but then now I want banks because I like Capitec. I want to invest. As you can see now, the one share for Capitec is 2,100, which is growing way fast, and I want to have at least 2 or 3 shares from this. So even though I have 200 rand in my account, but then I prefer in buying bit by bit until I get to a point where I have enough. So I also have other shares like your 64 rand for first rand, and then I do have, I think, a lot of RMB shares, and then I don't have anything on Standard Bank and Absa. So let's just go ahead and buy Capitec shares. So remember, I only have 200 rand in my account. I showed you, so I can use, so this one, remember my from the website, I do have 200 rand, which I will use to buy the tax-free savings account. So but then that's the next video. So for now, it connects to my balance, which is the Capitec balance that I have, and then I can specify the money that I want. So I'll just buy for 300 rand. So now I am buying Capitec shares, and then next, and then it will ask which accounts, and then next, and then buy. So I'll have to confirm. I'm sure it will ask me for my PIN, because usually when I do a payment, okay, you've bought Capitec Holdings to the value of, this request can take 2 working days, but now, so I am done. So you wait, you can see, let me see if it shows your certificate. So you won't see any certificates from here, and you just see invest and portfolio, which is good, because this is just an app. And then also your recent transaction will reflect shortly, so they keep you up to date, and it can happen the following day. But then usually you'll get an email if you did use an email while registering. So guys, it is so easy. You guys can just easily buy shares, and I advise everyone to buy these shares. So guys, I hope you now understand. So remember, the next video will be all about Tfsa, which is something good that I think we should all do. So I am all about saving for long term, especially now that I'm planning to resign December. So anything that I get, whether 300 rand, 200 rand, 50 rand, I just want to invest. So if they made it easy for us, I just love what Easy Equity is doing together with Capitec, of which is one bank that I respect the most. So this is so good, guys, and I hope you'll just connect to your account and start buying these shares. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you now know how to buy your shares from your Capitec account and how to link your Easy Equity account. Remember, you can just also create from this app, you can create your Easy Equity account. So yeah, that's it, guys. But if you do want a video where I show you step by step how to create that account, please do comment on this video so that I can teach you guys. Thank you so much for watching.